What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel, and we're going to do a late to the game obligatory unboxing of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's check it out. So yeah, I'm late to the show with this phone, but it's hard being a YouTuber these days and affording all these expensive phones that come out. I have some cases that are inbound for this thing, and I figured it can't hurt to at least get this thing unboxed. This is going to be a present for my wife. She won't know about this phone coming until she sees the video get uploaded, but maybe I'll get it to her before I upload. We'll see. Anyway, so yeah, this is just a run-of-the-mill 17 Pro Max. It's got 256 gigs of storage. One of the cool things about this was that T-Mobile is doing a thing where you can trade in your old phone, and basically I got this one for just the tax. So I'm trading in my wife's 15 Pro Max, and they're giving me basically $1,100 worth of credit. So anyone that's looking to get a phone that's on T-Mobile, check their website because you can get some pretty decent deals. So here's the phone itself. We'll come back to that. Comes with a nice braided cable. I haven't opened an iPhone in a long time. USB-C, that's good. USB-C, all the things, right? And that's neat. The packaging is now shaped like the bottom of the phone. Shaped like the packaging is now a circle. No more stickers, huh? Interesting. Nothing else really inside the box. They really have mastered the art of keeping these things as minimalistic as possible. So there you have it. Basically, you have some marketing material on the inside, the cable, the box, and the phone itself. The phone is really nice. I do like the sleek edges. The dedicated camera button's also nice now. Here's a fresh screen just for you guys. I do miss the toggle button for the silence function, but I guess there's more functionality built into that. Now you can do more with it, so that's pretty cool. You have the frosted back. What's crazy is that straight on it's almost the same color, but as soon as you turn it, you can really see that frosted nature there. And I guess they're just kind of leaning into the requirement to have the back be glass so that you can charge it. I kind of like it, that two-tone nature. And let's be honest, this thing's gonna get covered with a case anyway, and I know my wife doesn't really rock the clear cases, so the color and everything almost does not matter. Screen is beautiful, nice and bright. The camera sensors on the back are huge now. And there you have it. Nothing really extravagant here as far as unboxings go. I just didn't want to waste the opportunity. Look for more unboxing and reviews related to this phone coming out shortly. We're going to do some cases, some magnetic pop sockets on the back, and some other accessories as well. So thank you for checking this out with me. I know this isn't a glorious video, but look for more to come. And because it's that time of year, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, whichever one you prefer to hear. I'm a Merry Christmas fellow myself. And have a great new year. Peace.